Welcome back. Business organization is nothing without customers. With this, LIC Housing Finance Limited celebrated its 25 years in the state on Thursday. Their target is not to leave any Goan in the state without their own house.
LIC HFL has made a name for itself. I'm sure this year some dividend is going to be distributed, which is going to be very, very attractive.
Yes,
that's what I said. So, I'm especially thankful to all the customers who are present here, because an organization, a business organization, is nothing without customers. Whatever services we render, they always have scope for improvement. The office is beautiful, it will become more beautiful if we are able to have all the people living in Goa as our customer. And till the time a single person in Goa is without a house, our purpose is not achieved.
Spain have been knocked out of 2014 FIFA World Cup Brazil. Winners of 2010 World Cup, Spain suffered a shock 2-0 defeat to Chile to crash out in the group phase itself. After losing to Holland in the opener, Spain had to win against Chile on Wednesday night, but they failed to do so. As a result, Chile moved into the pre-quarterfinals along with Holland, who beat Australia by 3-2. In another match, Croatia thrashed 10-man Cameroon by 4-0. Off-Road Junkie, in association with DOT Off-Road Trails, will organize the inaugural edition of Wind Challenge on 21st and 22nd June in Sangay. The organizers have claimed that this will be the first of its kind off-road driving event in India. Details of the event can be found on DOT's official website. The organizers aim to conduct the event every year.
Winching Challenge is an event which is first of its kind in India, okay, which will be organized by Off-Road Junkies and DOT jointly on 21st and 22nd.
India level of off-roading is not as high compared to the rest of the world. So this time we've got such a trophy down to India, so we can do something at another level. We take it to another level. This has been designed keeping safety in mind. We're going to be very strict on safety criteria, we're going to be very strict on environmental criteria. It's going to be a test of both driving skills as well as the capabilities of the vehicles.
The venue is in Sangay Taluka. It's Kumari. The place is called as Kumari. It's in Netravalem area, and that's a private property. So the tracks are designed within the periphery of the property. There are 6 different tracks and 1 track for the night off-roading.
It's going to be an annual.
Yeah.
Yes.
Planned that.
Any off-road 4x4 with proper off-roading tires, and we have safety features, so roll cage.
The prices range from trophies. We are going to give LED bars, driving lights, HELA lights, iPads, etc.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.